Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. And today we're going to review the SyncUP Tracker. It's an interesting device. It's connected by T-Mobile, and it's this thing right here. But first, let's unbox it, and I'll tell you what I've learned about it, and I'll show you how to set it up. There's chapter headings down below if you want to skip around. Here we go. First things first. Inner flap fold first. Good to know. And inside is a box. Ooh. And a very deflated SyncUP Tracker. Location tracking, virtual boundaries, water resistant. Cool. Download the SyncUP Tracker app. Put it in your backpack. Keep track of what matters most. Your backpack, your bike, your luggage, your children, the usual stuff. Qualifying plan app, GPS signal required. All right, make a small incision. Oh, there's something inside. If I can get the box open. There we go. Ooh. Whoa, cool pad. Let's set that aside. SyncUP Tracker guide. Hey, comes with a charger. What do you know? Samsung, Apple, does that remind you of anything? Okay, so it's cool pad technology. Please be USB-C. Nope, it's USB-A to like a proprietary thing like, okay, a little magnet there. Makes a nice little sound. Yeah, that's nice. Cool pad. Okay, so whoop, there's a magnet. It will not let you go that way. All right. Let's see if it powers on. Okay, it looks like it's dead. Okay, well, my first impressions are it's thick. And it's a lot thicker than I thought it would be. I try not to compare too many things, but I end up doing it anyway. So here's an old school tile, the one that had the little LED lights in the background and you couldn't replace the batteries. And then Tile came out with this one where you could place the batteries, even smaller. So we'll compare this to a Tile. Whoa. Okay, so that is about the thickness. Not quite 3 tiles. It's about the thickness of 2 tiles. Yep. And it's a little bigger than one of the original tiles. So, interesting. I like how it has, a nice little curved design. Has the power button. Okay, so let me read about this and we'll see what we can find out. Cool pad though, that's nice. Be right back. There is the SyncUP Tracker app. So we'll download that. And then it's charging right now. Okay, it's probably gonna, have to log into the old T-Mobile account. Okay, that's nice. It lets you use Face ID to quickly log in. SyncUP Tracker terms. I'll have my lawyer read that for me. SyncUP Tracker CCPA, increased transparency due to the highest information collected. Sure. You can choose not to allow location. Okay. Most versatile tracker available. Track things with customized profiles, notifications when entering or exiting virtual boundaries. Let's try that out. Okay, so now I scan the little code. Whoops. Onboarding your tracker. Okay, next. Create a tracker profile. Cool. Personalize the tracker. how it looks on the screen. Okay, similar to Tile. You have the map screen, that's nice. There's the virtual boundaries, okay. Know your tracker. On the front of the tracker, you'll find the power button, and you'll find the LED status light and light sensor. Okay, help and support, and done. Okay, I'm not really liking, okay, allow access, sure. Allow while using the app, push notifications, scan QR code. Onboarding your SyncUP tracker. This may take 30 seconds. All right, well that was easy. And now we get to customize it. So I'm gonna put this on my gym bag. What would you like to name your tracker? Gym bag, okay. Location update frequency. We'll say every 1 hour. Estimated battery life 3 days. 4 days. Okay, so it looks like max battery life is 5 days. And if we do the bunny route, 1 day, every 2 minutes. Wow. Let's just try every 1 hour. Save. A virtual boundary. Cool. Add a virtual boundary. Virtual boundaries are areas you identify where your things are supposed to be, like your home. Awesome. So I'm going to play around with the app some more. I'm going to let this fully charge, and I'll follow up with you later. Goodbye for now. Now, because my SyncUP tracker is not quite working, or it's a problem with the app, let me play you some sounds from some other trackers to let you know how loud they can be. Here we go. Let's try the Tile. So if you just hold that silver button, nice sound, right? Now I did find a way out to get a little bit of sound out. If we hold down the power button for just 5 seconds, it should do a power cycle. That was my watch. There we go. See the little light there blinking? So now it's going to reboot. And while we wait for that, I will mute my watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on. And I've been testing the light sensor since I set this up yesterday, and the light sensor is really sensitive. Just now, when I held it up here, I have a window in my office, and the light sensor just went, oh, no, that was the Tile. There we go. Did you hear that? Now, supposedly, according to the technician I spoke to on the phone with T-Mobile, it's supposed to be much louder, and there should be somewhat of a vibration noise. Let me show you some other Tile devices. Sorry, I shouldn't say Tile devices. Some other thing trackers. I have one from Samsung and a real small Tile, and we can compare those sounds. And now the tracker is fully charged, and you can even check that on the app. Here, I'll show you. So right there in the app, Lunchbox charged 8 minutes ago. Now, we ran into a little problem. I just got off the phone with T-Mobile support. Watch this. This is how you find it. So it sends a sound signal to the device, and then it plays for 2 minutes. And you can see the little kind of clock on the sound on going around. That's the 2-minute timer, but there's the device, no sound. So they're working on that, but there should be a loud chirping sound, and it doesn't play. And I thought it's because it's charging. No, that's not it at all. It just doesn't play. But the one thing that is working is this light sensor. And when it comes out of the dark or goes back into the dark, there's a setting right here in the app. Lunchbox's light sensor has detected a change from dark to light, and vice versa. Oh, there's another one. So you can program to have your SyncUP tracker let you know if it goes out of a pocket or out of a lunchbox or in a lunchbox or something like that. Or if, I don't know, maybe you want to put this on your dog, or maybe you want to put this on your pet, and you want to know if they leave the house. So that's kind of cool that it has the light sensor. There is also a lanyard hole right there, and this is a lanyard that comes in the box. Forgot to show this when I unboxed it yesterday. And you basically just slide that in there like so. Yep, just slide it in there, and then it should pop out the other side. Oh my gosh, I hate these things. Okay, I guess this is why Apple made real expensive accessories. Ah! All right, kidding me? Okay, I can do this. It's just like threading a needle, right? Well, I can't get that to work. But this is a lanyard. It should be going through there, and then it like hangs on, and then you loop that through a backpack, or I don't know. But that's a lanyard. So let's test the light sensor. I have this paired to my phone, so as soon as I get a notification about this device going in the light, my phone should buzz. Here we go. Sometimes it takes 10 seconds or so. And there's the notification. Sorry, someone was mowing their lawn out there. Lunchbox's light sensor has detected a change from light to dark. So yes, the light sensor works. So if you ever lose your keys and you have a Samsung SmartThings, you open up the app and you press start. There you go, pretty cool. These are about 20 bucks, I think. These were on sale during Christmas. The tile, what are they called? Tile stickers. These were about $10 each. These were about 15 each. And I bought this when it first came out on a deal. This was about 15. This bad boy was $65. Plus there's a subscription fee because it has a cell phone chip in it, and it's another $5 per month. So if you really have something important, you might want to pay for this. I do find the light sensors cool. I do wish it would make the noise. Let's try one more time. It's been almost an hour or so since I talked to the T-Mobile rep. Open up the Sync app. Nice logo, by the way. It says Lunchbox is at home. It's trying to find it. Still updating. So the battery has dropped 11% in the last 2 hours, and it should be sending a signal to the device through the cell phone towers. And according to the app, it should have been playing about 10 seconds ago. Still not working. Well, bummer. But hey, we got the tiles to work, and we got the tile sticker to work. We got the Samsung SmartThings to work. But unfortunately, the device of which this video is all about, the SyncUP Tracker, is still not working. Now I'm going to give T-Mobile the benefit of the doubt. I told them I'd keep it another day or so before I asked for an RMA to return it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. And that's my initial review 24 hours later with this SyncUP Tracker by T-Mobile. The location tracking, yes, it works. Virtual boundaries, yes, that worked too. Water resistant, I haven't tried that yet, but it doesn't make a sound. I'm sure T-Mobile will fix that soon. Like another product that this device reminds me of another product I reviewed almost a month ago and still wearing, the OnePlus watch. Not quite fully baked, so if you're looking for a tracker with a cell phone chip in it, I would wait. I'm not saying it's a don't buy, but I would definitely wait on this and let T-Mobile work out some bugs. My out-of-box experience so far with this device, not that great. And it is pretty hefty. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you do have any questions about the SyncUP Tracker, pithy comments down below. And yes, let the credits roll for the Paramount Kid. Goodbye.